Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be going over ABML, a little more analysis on this and the recent news. To those who are new, ABML is into recycling of lithium ion batteries, extraction of battery metals from primary resources, and development of new green technologies, and exploration of new mineral resources. Global demand for battery metals is expected to grow over tenfold by 2030 with a total market value of approximately 100 billion per year. However, the current battery metals industry in the United States is not able to meet this growing demand at home. Approximately 99% of lithium, nickel, cobalt, and manganese battery metals are sourced from a handful of foreign countries, mostly China. Taking a look at Chamat's tweet, he said, meanwhile, China continues making smart moves to monopolize the global EV battery supply chain. America and Europe really needs to build a next-gen company that vertically integrates from mine to refining to specialty chemicals to battery manufacturing. In addition to that, Tesla alone is looking at 3 terawatt hours of battery production. Elon Musk said in Battery Day that in the future, all new batteries will be made from recycled batteries because it's 10% of the total cost. And recycled batteries have the potential to be hugely profitable. Outdated battery recycling methods pose climate risks in the high capacity battery supply chain as they generate large amounts of air pollution. Next gen technologies, like the one ABML is introducing, avoid air and liquid pollutant emissions through strategic design and avoidance of high temperature operations while generating minimal waste. Direct greenhouse gas emissions from recycling of battery cell components using the new mechanical hydrometallurgical recycling processes yield less than 5 pounds of carbon dioxide per ton of lithium ion battery feedstock recycled compared to an estimated 1100 or more pounds of carbon dioxide per ton of feedstock using outdated pyrometallurgy recycling processes. These processes are used by Redwood Materials and BP. Yes, I know Redwood is in the hype now, but they use the old recycling process. Whereas we have a few other companies that use hydrometallurgical processes, which have low environmental impact and high margin. Yes, agreed. There are a few companies that are into recycling, extraction, refinement of lithium ion batteries, and there will be many more startups over the next decade that may do well in this space. I don't know which one would be the best, but one of the main reasons to look into ABML would be their team. Let's start with the CTO, Chief Technical Officer, Ryan Melsert, former R&D manager of Tesla's Battery Materials Processing Group, founding member of their Giga a founding member of their Gigafactory design team. He leads the design and implementation of the lithium ion battery, demanufacturing, recycling, and primary metal extraction technology. Ryan has a process that is probably better than the competition's. It is cleaner and more effective. He also presented the company's recycling technology at the Greentown Lab Circularity Challenge, which is a 6-month accelerated program for startups developed in partnership with BASF, one of the world's leading chemical companies. They also received a 4.5 million US dollar grant from the US Department of Energy for field pilot validation, partnering with DuPont and American Lithium. And on the website of energy.gov, we find American Battery Metals Corporation. They have been granted this $4.5 million grant. So Ryan is ex-Tesla. We know that their chief operating officer, Min Kaseti, is ex-Facebook. And there are at least 3 ex-Teslas in here. And the others have gone through their profiles and they have experience in this field. They recently responded to Department of Energy request for information regarding risks in the high capacity battery supply chain by proposing policy solutions to scale a circular economy for better metals in the United States. And they are probably going to start building their pilot plant in May. And if they could deliver what they are promising, that is 20,000 metric tons per year of recycled material with their commercial pilot plant, expected operations by Q4 2021, and revenue generation by Q1 2022, and their plans on building more pilot plants in the coming years, then it has huge potential in my opinion. Again, I am no financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing in this stock. Invest at your own risk and only invest what you can afford to lose. I did another ABML analysis on my channel. Do check it out if you need any more information on this company.